Best kitchen brush for you, review parks. For example, a stiff bristled brush may be best for scrubbing pots and pans, while a softer brush might be better for cleaning countertops and appliances. When choosing a kitchen brush, it is important to consider the type of bristles, the shape of the brush, and the size of the brush. Stiff bristled scrub brush for pots and pans. Soft bristled brush for countertops and appliances. There is no definitive answer to this question, as the best kitchen brushes will vary depending on the individual's needs and preferences. Durability: the best kitchen brushes will be able to withstand regular use without breaking or becoming damaged. Ease of use: the best kitchen brushes will be easy to hold and use, with soft, comfortable bristles. Cleaning ability: the best kitchen brushes will be able to effectively clean all of the nooks and crannies of cookware and utensils. A kitchen brush can help to clean dirt and debris from your kitchen surfaces. Here is a guide to the different types of kitchen brushes and what they are used for. Scrub brush: a scrub brush is a brush with stiff bristles that is used for scrubbing pots and pans. How to choose the best kitchen brush for your needs. There are a few things to consider when choosing the best kitchen brush for your needs. If you are looking for a brush to clean your pots and pans, you will want one with a long handle and a stiff bristles. If you are looking for a brush to clean your countertops, you will want one with a short handle and soft bristles. The second thing to consider is the material of the brush. The synthetic brushes are often easier to clean and can be thrown in the dishwasher. How to use a kitchen brush for the best results. Here is a guide to using a kitchen brush for the best results. To clean the sides of the pots and pans, use a small brush with stiff bristles. To clean the bottom of the pots and pans, use a large brush with soft bristles. To clean the countertops, use a brush with long, soft bristles. To clean the stovetop, use a brush with short, stiff bristles. To clean the oven, use a special oven brush. OXO Good Grips Angled Kitchen Brush. This kitchen brush is perfect for cleaning those hard to reach places. This brush is perfect for scrubbing pots and pans. This kitchen brush is perfect for cleaning countertops, appliances, and other hard surfaces. This kitchen brush is perfect for scrubbing pots and pans. The OXO Good Grips kitchen brush is the perfect brush for cleaning pots, pans and other kitchen surfaces. The brush has soft, durable bristles that are gentle on surfaces, and the comfortable grip makes it easy to hold and use. The brush is also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean.